chicken thighs, cashew nuts, dried red chilies, garlic, ginger, white onion, Szechuan peppercorn, Xiaoxing Wine, sesame oil, bell pepper, and spring onion. Now let's start. Just cut it into small pieces. Just to let you know, I've used the chicken thigh instead of chicken breast. So ako sa mga breast na yan. So I decided to use the chicken thigh instead. I put it in a bowl, put some salt onto it. Add some pepper. Corn flour to make it more tender. Of course, sugar to taste. Paprika para sa malamig na panahon o nanlalamig ng damdamin. Xiaoxing wine. By the way, if you don't have Xiaoxing wine, you can use beer instead or a white wine. Now add some oil as well. Don't forget our egg white. There you go. And then massage it gently. Then cut some red dried chilies. Make sure to separate the seeds from the chilies like that. Useless naman yun eh, no? So ang importante dyan yung chili or yung sili, no? Depende po sa dami na gusto nyo yan. Now slice some ginger, garlic, and then the white onion. There you go, the spring onions. Don't forget. And the bell pepper. I've used the dual color bell pepper. Nakita ko lang yan sa supermarket. Kasi sayang eh. At least color, medyo makakadagdag siya ng kulay sa plate ko or sa aking presentation. Now the cashew nuts, it's roasted already, but the thing is I wanted to get some smoky flavor from it. So fina-fry ko siya without oil para medyo masunog lang. Now that's corn flour for the sauce we will be making for Gong Bao. Add some salt onto it. Pepper ulit. There you go. And then the chicken stock. Okay. So that it will be more flavorful. You can use water naman instead. That's the light soy sauce. And then the Xiaoxing wine. Alright, there you go. Mukhang masarap na to ah. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Bago po ako magpatuloy sa aking video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayong lahat na nanonood ngayon. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell para maging updated kayo sa aming mga ginagawang videos. And also, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. So see you. Let's get back to work. Now let's get back to cooking. That's a chicken oil. Make sure that the pan is heat enough. Chicken, sliced chicken. Continue stirring to prevent it from overcooking or para hindi siya masunog. Ganyan lang po. Toss it a little bit. Just for 3 minutes. I would say put it on a half cook or more than, but not fully cooked, so that it's still tender. Igigisa pa natin yun afterwards. So now, put on the chilies. It has a strong odor, or matapang yung amoy niya. So, sa inyo yun kung magmamas kayo, kasi baka hindi nyo kayanin, hahatsing kayo ng hahatsing dyan. Now add some onion, ginger, and garlic. I used a bit white wine for that, just a little bit, not too much. Ayan na po yung Szechuan peppercorns natin, mabango po yan. Dalawa pong klase yan, isang aromatic, o yung tinatawag nilang mabango na Szechuan, meron din maanghang. Pinili ko po yung mabango lang. Ayan po, i-add natin yung cashew nuts. Keep tossing it to prevent from burning. And then add some bell peppers. Then toss it again. Exactly the same procedure as what we were doing before. Ayan lang po. Keep on doing it. Kung kailangan nyo maghina ng apoy, please do so. Ayan na po nga. Pakihalo muna bago nyo lagyan. Ayan. Lagyan mo kagad. Buka ng halo. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating corn, yung sauce na ginawa na. Ayan na po. Patapos na po tayo. Malapit nang matapos yan. Keep on stirring. Toss it if it's needed. Now add the spring onions. Toss it again. In a few minutes, we'll be finished. So stay tuned. Keep on watching. Don't skip. Malapit na po tayo matapos. The sesame oil, it adds fragrance and a bit of taste. Now the pepper to taste. Last is the oyster sauce. Okay po. Sana po nasundan niyo yung video natin. Sa bagay, pwede niyo naman pong ulitin yung wala naman pong problema. We're almost done. And there you go. Our very own Gong Bao chicken made in Philippines. Ang napakasarap ng tunay yan. The first time na matikman ko yan is sa Hong Kong. Ang sarap-sarap niya. And there you have it mga kasimplihan. Maraming salamat at umabot kayo hanggang dito sa huli ng ating video. For those of you who are new here, my name is D-Mags, helping you build your cooking ideas more interesting, fun, and easier. So, come closer. Oh, I will come closer na lang next time. Let us try this one. I hope this one is good. Or even better sa mga natikman kong Gong Bao. Let's try, why not? Sarap niya. Hold na kagab. Ang galing ako. Masyado ko napasarap. Masarap siya, yung texture niya. Ando din yung tinatawag nating Chinese essence. Nagustuhan ko siya. Parang siya yung kung paano natikman namin sa Hong Kong. When we were there with my wife, on our way back home from Dubai, kumain muna kami. At napakasarap niya. Halos ganun siya. Masarap lang to ng konti. It's almost exactly the same, I would say. Sarap. Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyo. See you on my next video. Goodbye!